When you went to Instagram, you saw this barber, Jay Faded, wasn't just offering a regular haircut. He was doing some luxury wave treatments. He was doing hot towel and facials. He was different. There was something here. And he put in all this work to his brand. He had nice captions and the videos were edited well. He had a link in his bio. He was directing people to it. And that dude was posting every single day. He really didn't miss. And when I booked a haircut with him, there was something different about that dude. Like, he listened to what I needed in the service and attacked it. Like, he didn't forget that I told him about my lineup is light in the left corner and it's the best cut I've had in years. He made me feel young again. This is how I dominated. I became the top guy and I'm not even from around here. How you let me run it down here? A lot of you LA barbers should be ashamed because Jay Faded came and dominated. He took all your clients. He ran up the marketplace and then left. And you guys are still clueless. This video is for you. I really hope I trigger somebody. That's my goal. If you haven't been triggered by now, then maybe we can make it to the end. Different is better than better. You become rare and uncommon in the saturated marketplace. So I was doing all these different services that made me luxury. There's only one service that I needed. It was a niche and a problem solution that I showcased that got me my first client as a celebrity. And this was lucrative set work all through the pandemic. Make sure I put an L in the pandemic. And my ability to determine new and existing clients' problem solution became otherworldly. When I first serviced Perp, he said I was the best barber he ever had. And this skill set began to take me to new heights. My confidence grew and I began to dominate every barber in my lane. Here's some proof on the screen. This is light work. This is back 3 years ago when I was 20, maybe 22 years old, and it's mid-pandemic and I'm doing house calls for the first time. I can show you guys proof of twice this much. Like, this is just something I made so long ago before I really applied everything. And now I have the proof, multiple six-figure a year tax returns. Better known beats best. This is your opportunity because short form content is taking over. If you know what you're doing, we can run you up. It's so simple. So simple. My showcases and covers and overall content creation skyrocketed. My social media engagement and client conversion was up to 10 new 150 plus clients a week. For the first time, I had full control over my business and I was growing it week on week, month on month with consistency. You guys don't know what that feels like to be dominating, making $1,000 a day as a barber. You don't know what that feels like to only have to do a few haircuts and make $1,000 and then go back to your regular life and be able to live a full life knowing that, yeah, I still got other things going on. I can build my physique. I can spend time with my family. I can take vacations because I already made my money for the week. I can move on to my real purpose in this life. Barbering is not your purpose. It never was. It never will be. To cut someone's hair is a one-on-one interaction. You are meant to change lives, thousands of them. You're not going to do that with a pair of clippers. You need more. There's more impact for you to be made. Sure, you can change a person's life in your chair. Don't ever get caught up and think that the money you're making scaling this up is just for that. It's another level. You need to leverage this to do bigger and better things. Always have a vision. I will win more than any of you just because I know what my vision is. I have a plan. Do you have a plan? If not, I need to work with you to get you one because I'm sick of this. Talking to barbers and they don't have a plan. That's why I'm getting out of this industry. So many people are just like head down, like, yeah, I want to own a shop one day. That's it, homie? I want to own a shop, maybe get 2 of them just for the legacy, you know, just to build that legacy. No one cares. You're not fooling nobody. You're not fooling anybody with a pair of clippers. You think because you got good at cutting hair and you made some money from it, now you're going to open a barbershop, people are going to remember you? That's not memorable, bro. You could tell your clients that and they'll be like, wow, that's really cool, man. They don't give a fuck. They don't actually care. They're just like, oh yeah, that's another guy who did something. He did a little something with his life. Like, he didn't really do nothing too inspiring. Bro, you could open 100 barbershops. Until you're inspiring the masses, you're improving other people's lives, you're becoming the best version of yourself, you ain't did nothing yet. A lot of people put more into their craft and their business than they do themselves. You got to put, if you spend 1 hour in your business, you should put 5 into yourself. I started gaining 30 new clients a month at my new price, and I was getting 6 to 8 clients a day, and I had my most profitable month at $28,000. You guys, this ain't no joke. I went from making $6K a month to $28K a month in 8 months as a barber. You'll never hear another testimony like that in your life. Jay Faded came from Ohio, came to LA, and dominated. He ran it up in the middle of the pandemic from $6K a month to $28K a month. From a Airbnb balcony. Some 23-year-old lost, but just had a simple blueprint and strategy and didn't break. character ever. Went from 6K a month to 28K a month. I dominated it. That's why you see my testimonial all over the place, because that is hard to replicate. Name somebody who will replicate that. I'll wait. Nobody. I actually did it. I'm actually doing it. And now I'm done because I'm going to help you.